Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends. First, you will need to download the game client from the official website. Once installed, create a free Riot Games account, which is essential for playing. After logging in, I highly recommend completing the interactive tutorial. It will guide you through the very basic controls, movement, and how to use your champion's abilities, setting a solid foundation for your first few games. League of Legends is a 5 vs 5 team game played on a map called Summoner's Rift. Each player chooses a unique champion, each with 4 distinct abilities. You'll be assigned one of 5 roles: top, jungle, mid, bot, or support, each with specific responsibilities. The ultimate goal is to push through enemy defenses, destroy their turrets and inhibitors, and finally demolish their nexus, located at the heart of their base. To gain an advantage, focus on earning gold by delivering the final blow to enemy minions and jungle monsters. This gold allows you to purchase powerful items from the in-game shop, significantly boosting your champion's stats and abilities. Effective itemization is crucial for success. Additionally, coordinating with your teammates to secure major objectives, such as the elemental dragons and the mighty Baron Nashor, provides significant team-wide buffs, paving the way for victory. To truly excel, consider watching professional League of Legends matches and popular streamers. You can learn invaluable strategies and champion matchups. Consistent practice is key to refining your mechanical skills, like dodging abilities and landing skill shots, and developing better game sense. Finally, effective communication with your team, using both pings and the in-game chat, is paramount for coordinating plays and achieving victory together. Enjoy your journey on Summoner's Rift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.